Good evening. So we have a JVC TV. The complaint is no picture. As you can see, we do have a red light on there. So let's see. Where's these? Okay, red light is off, and we got still no picture. Okay. So as you can see on the TV, this is most probably a backlight problem. Of course, we do have a no signal floating around there. And this is the easiest way to see if you've got image or no image, is just by using a flashlight, shining it into the display to see if you can get any images. So as you can see, we have no signal here. So let's take it apart and get it fixed. Remove some of the plates. You need to remove all the boards because there are these plastic clips and they run underneath the board. So this is definitely a backlight problem. So let me get this stuff all removed and then we take it from there. Okay, for next part we need to release this little board from the TV. Now I do it by inserting a little spudger like that. Go along all the back. Okay, so here's another little double-sided tape. Easy, just cut that away. Follow it. Go find another one. And that's removed. Don't play too much with that. You're gonna break these little cables in the bottom and then it's a problem. So next step is taking the bezel off from the front so we can take the LCD out so we can get to the backlights. Okay, so we've got the front bezel removed and now the tricky part comes. You'll have to remove these tapes around the side, all over there and down the other side, and then you have to lift up the LCD panel. Now this is the most fragile part of the whole screen. Now that we got the LCD away, we need to remove this plastic little cover all around. So I'm going to do that next. It's all just clipped in together, so it's very easy. Start at one corner and just start lifting it up. So it's difficult to do it one-handedly, so I'm going to do it. We'll come back when we get to the backlights. So we got at the diffuser and looking at the LEDs, the backlight LEDs of this 32-inch JVC TV. So we'll have to get this plastics off and then we'll have to test the LEDs. To take the backlight LEDs out, we need to remove these little plastic clips by squeezing them and pushing them in. There's 6 of them, and that's why I need to remove the board. So I'm going to get this it done. It's quicker by doing it by two hands than holding the camera and trying to film this at the same time. Alright, let's do that quickly. So these are the 6 plastic clips. So we've got the reflector out now, and that's the LEDs strips, which we're going to need focus, which we're going to need to test and see where is the faulty one. So I'm disconnecting these little plugs so I can isolate each LED strip on its own, and then we need to test the LEDs. I just use a multimeter for this. Let's just see if this one would light up. No. Let's try the other way around. Nothing on that one. Right. I don't know if you guys can see this. We close this good a bit. And that will help. I'm focusing on that LED over there. You should maybe see it light up. Nothing that way. Let's switch the probes. Let's go this way. You can see it lights up. So what I do is I'll give it that. You know that one is working. Let's do the next one. Not getting anything out of that one. Let's try the first one again. You see that one lights up. That one's right. Let's try the next one. Next one. See it lights up. Next one. Lights up. Next one lights up. And now we need to do the last one on this end, so we can see how to test them. This one should be between these two, but I'm not getting anything. Let's try. Okay. So these 3 strips are all the same. So if I go between this one and this one, it should light up, and it's not lighting up. So this one here is faulty. You have to see how to measure that one. That should be from the positive line. Okay, so that one is fine. Let's see the next line. So we know which way this round goes, so into there. That's fine. Do the bottom one as well. Guess it lights up. That one is fine. Let's do the next one. That one is fine. That one is fine. Let's move you up. That one is fine. That one is fine. So let's see this one. That one is fine. I don't know if you can see the bottom one. That one is fine. Swap camera over. That one is fine. This one's just out of shot now. That one is fine. That one is fine. That one is fine. And the last lights. That one is fine. And that one is fine. So we've got one faulty LED on the first strip on the top. So let's get this strip out. So the faulty LED is this one over here. Doesn't light up when you put a multimeter in diode mode. So let's just get this removed. Now I'm going to struggle on getting this removed. We'll get back to the bench, we'll replace that LED. So let's get this LED removed from this LED strip. What I'm going to do is take pliers, This one's really sitting. They normally just break off like that. So that's off. I can see a little black spot in there, so that LCD is definitely gone. LCD? What I'm talking about? LED is definitely gone. Past. So let's take that off. Start up my equipment here. Remove the old LED. I'll just do it from the top. There you go. All removed. We'll add some solder to this. Remove the solder. Get that lead 3 stuff off. Add some leaded solder. So that is prep for the new LED. I got one of these old TV that the screen blew up. Well, not blew up. Got cracked. And I stripped them down, and I keep the boards, and I keep the backlight strips, so I can steal the LEDs off them. Let's test that LED quickly and we'll be back. Let's test this LED. That LED is perfect. So to remove it, I apply heat from the bottom. I'll take the LED off. I'll put it over on that one. I'll move this to the side, heat it from the bottom, and resolder it. The removal process is a bit difficult, so I'm not going to video that. Next time you see me, I'll be putting that back. So that's the LED. And I'm going to just solder it back onto here. Same method by heating it from the bottom. So that LED is back on. Get some alcohol. Let's clean this flux off. Switch off. That looks good. And we can test it. There we go. So LED is replaced. all we need to do is glue this lens back on here. Like that. And we can put it back on the TV. So we get the glue that up. I simply just use this glue. It works pretty good. Takes a while to cure, but that's super quick. So apply a little bit pressure on there, hold it down. That should be it. So I can reassemble this back into the TV, and we can give it a test. So let me do that and catch you on the other side. So I got a strip back in place. The wires are all plugged in. Now we can just put the reflector back in. Take some of these clips and push them back in. All 6 of them. I'll partially reassemble the TV and plug in the backlights and see what happens. So I got the board back in. Let's plug in the backlight. Be careful, it is 220 on this board and still could be charged, this main filter cap, so I'm not touching anywhere close to that. Be mindful the backlight's also high voltage, could be up to 50 volts, depends on the make and TV and all other funny stuff, so just be wary. Right, so we got that in. So what we need to do is plug in the power and see if we have backlight. So as you can see, we have backlight. So it's all working now. Now we can assemble the LCD back and we take it from there. So sometimes when removing these corner pieces will bend. So just straighten them out again. So the fuse is back and we can put the frame back. The plastic frame, we can put that back and then put the LCD back. And then the last part of the frame and connect everything up. I'm just going to assemble all these stuff and get back to when the LCD and the frame is back in. So front bezel is back on. So back on. So the next step is to assemble the back and I'll bring you back once I get there. Well, I'll bring you back once it's fully assembled and we can have a look at how the picture looks. Okay, it's all back together again. So let's just see. Get the red light. Yes, we do. Yeah, JVC. HDMI 1, no signal, call that a fix. Thanks for watching, cheers.